All right, let's see. Okay, now you guys have finished. Now let's go to the next one, okay? What would you do if you
Saw a bear in real life?
Yes. What would you do if you saw a bear in real life, right in
There are
front of you?
different tips of how what to do. For example, if you see a black bear, you have to play dead.
On the zoo or on the wild?
In the wild. That's a great question.
So
What would
when
you
it's
do if you
a
saw a bear in the wild?
a small bear, you have to act like you um make yourself bigger, like do like this and do like this when it's a small bear, so he can be intimidated. But only if he's a small bear, because if it's a big bear, you have to um stay quiet and not move, and in extreme cases play dead.
So if I see a bear, I just throw myself on the floor and act dead like that?
No, first stand still and try to um walk back slowly.
Okay, like
Don't
really,
try to
like,
run, because bears are very adaptive to catch the prey when the prey is running, so they'll think that you're prey because you were running.
wow. Okay, I just got scared. I definitely don't want to catch myself in front of a bear. And if I did get caught, in front of a bear, I would definitely want you there with me, Bianca, because you would tell me exactly what to do. So now that you know, what would you do if you saw a bear? What would you do?
What did Lucero do? What did Lucero
Okay,
do right now?
okay, there you
She
go.
inserted.
She just fixed it. All right, so let me do this. Let me fix this for you. Let me add. Let me add. All right. So you guys could write here. Let me open this more so you guys can work together. All right, perfect. And let me put this in the middle. All right, here you go. Now, what would you do if you saw a bear? All right, look at your sentence. Read the sentence again, Lucero. What does it say there? Play dead on a. Ah, very good. Is this how you would start your sentence? Play dead on a black bear and move slowly on a normal bear? Who would? Who would play dead? Me? You? Who would play dead? All right, very good. You're off to a good